So now in this video we are going to learn different types of slot that are enlisted in SolidWorks. There are 4 types of slot. The first one is straight slot. So now discuss about it. Click on the straight slot. The first 2 click decides the length of the slot and the third click decides the radius of the slot. Now the second category is center point straight slot. The first click decides the center point of the slot and the second click decides the length of the slot and the third click decides the radius of the slot. Now discuss about the third category, which is 3-point arc slot. This slot is used when we need a curvy slot. The first 2 click describes the length of the slot and the third click describes the radius of the slot and the fourth click describes the thickness of the slot. In this manner we can draw 3-point arc slot. Now discuss fourth category, which is center point arc slot. The first click describes the center point of the arc slot and the second and third click describes the length of the slot and the fourth click describes the thickness of the slot. In this manner we can draw center point arc slot.